Hi guys, welcome back. I just wanted to get on the camera because today we are getting a new dining room set, and so we're saying goodbye to our old one, but I wanted to show it to you guys. As you can tell, I still have this, I don't have the cold, but my throat is like fog. It sounds like a frog in and out, so I do apologize. And yeah, my hair's everywhere, but it's all right. And you know what? I was gonna clean up, make it look pretty, but I was like, why not show them real life, you know? And because you can see all the pretty Pinterest, you know, type homes, but this is our home, and we just make the best of it until we move. So I'm going to show you what our living room looks like. Sorry, our dining room looks like before. So if you've been on my channel for a while and you've been a subscriber, you know I redid these dining room chairs. My mom gave me these chairs. Well, actually, my mom gave it to my sister, then my sister had it, and then she moved, and now I have them. But they have so much wear and tear on them, and we just decided it's time to just get something newer. So, but I did recover the seats. I'll put the link above or in the description box to show you how you can cover dining room chairs. But like this dining room chair, I mean, this had an armrest and it broke off, and now the seat's coming off. So, and this is the dining room table. Again, I decided to show you real life, you know, how, you know, our family does it. And this table, I actually got on Craigslist 2-3 years ago, because the dining room table that originally came with the chairs, it got broken. So this one's pretty good, but it has like the, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the wood it's warped and it's starting to peel away, and I don't know if you can tell. Let's see. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it kind of sinks in the middle. You know, so we decided, you know, maybe we should get a new dining room set. So this is what it looks like. And today we're gonna get it at Costco, because we've looked everywhere. We've looked at Ashley Furniture, Jordan's Furniture, Bob's. What else did we check? I think those are 3 major ones around here, because I didn't want to pay a lot, but I want good quality. And Costco, out of all the ones we saw, we love this one at Costco. And there's 2 Costco's near us that's like 15 minutes within driving distance. Both of them are sold out, but there's one that is about a half-hour away, which we're going to get it there, because they said they haven't sold any. They have 3 left, and they only sold 1 last week, and before that they didn't sell any for 3 weeks. So it's now Saturday morning. We have to rent, we're renting a cargo van from Home Depot, and we're going to drive there and get it, because we both have minivans, but we'll have to take like 4 trips just to get it here. But between the gas and the mileage, we decided it'd be cheaper just to rent something. So stay tuned, and I'll take you along. So this is my downstairs, and my kids are bringing up the boxes. Wait, you can't do that. As you can see, what they're going through. Christian and Sydney.
1, 2, are you lifting? Go! You go first. No, you can't walk back. I didn't ask. Go! I will push you backwards. Go! You're going. What? Turn around. This isn't fair. No.
Don't push him. Let him. He has to leave.
Fair.
He has.
I'm not pushing. Why do I have to get this side?
Come on.
Hurry up! Why are me and Jenny doing everything?
Because me and Dad used to do everything all the time.
Yeah, when we were younger. Lift it!
Shh. Come on.
Lift!
Back up. Come on. Come on. You're doing good.
Jeez! Why did I have to go backwards?
Keep going. Come on.
What are you doing? Lift it. Just lift. Come on.
You don't have to lift. Just push. Thank you. Okay, get the last box, guys. You're doing great.
It's the table.
Yeah, it's all right. So these are the boxes. These are all the chairs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So yeah, I'm telling you, people used to look at me crazy because I have 4 kids, but it pays off because they help. All I carry is 1 box, so we just have 1 more box, and then we'll do the take everything apart. Stay tuned. So here is the new dining room table or set. It sits 8, which is good, and I really like it. Just to let you know, this is a gift from my mother. Maybe she got tired of seeing my old dining room set, and but she gifted this to us. So thank you, Mom. But the chairs, they're leather chairs with nail heads all around the edge, and they're high. And down here is, you can store dishes or something, but I don't think I'm gonna store anything down there because no of my kids will probably break. But I like this table because as you know, I have 4 kids and they're again so tall. My oldest is 6 feet, my husband's 6'3", my middle 2 are 5'3", and my youngest is 4'7", he's only 8. I'm telling you, in about 3 years I'll be the shortest one in this family, and I'm 5'7", so that's why I said the next dining table needs to be a, I guess they call it a countertops height table. So, but yeah. And it has a built-in leaf, which I will show you. So that is my new dining room table. Again, it was a gift from my mother. I'll put a picture of my mom. She just had a birthday. She just turned 75, and she makes 75 look awesome. That's why I look young, because my mom looks young. But again, you know, I got it from Costco. It was hard to find because I went to 2 different ones, and they have one didn't have any, they're all gone. And the other one was, the display was on sale because they didn't have any more. But what I love about this table is that it's a countertop height table, especially for my tall children and my husband. And also the fact that it has a built-in leaf and not just a leaf that you take off and you have to store. So that was awesome. That was like a bonus for me. I was thinking about putting glass over it to protect it, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that because it looks like wood planks. I can show you up close. If you can see, it looks like, you know, looks like wood planks. And my kids do homework, so sometimes they complain that it puts a hole in their paper, but we'll see. Can we have a moment of silence for my ring light? It broke in the process. It still works. I have it right here. I don't want to blind you, but this is the problem. It swivells all over the place because this part broke off. Like, look, looks like a big lollipop. I can hold it, you know, and it's just, gosh, I don't want to buy a new ring light, but hopefully, like, look at it, it's all over the place. It's just swinging, just got a mind of its own now. Yeah, so I gotta see what I'm gonna do about that. But I'm like looking directly at it, so hopefully I can get it fixed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. You know everyone always asks you to. I don't know why you're waiting. I'll give you a second. Don't be shy, just hit the button. And also put on your notification bell if you want to see more videos and when they're being posted. And give me a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Guys, thank you so much for watching. You are truly a blessing to my channel. And I thank you for those who are subscribing and those who already subscribed. Until we meet again, guys, have a very blessed day.